We've just completed a week-long training on the Child's Right Participation, Article 12 of the UN Convention on the Rights of the Child. This is the 12th edition of the International Summer Course on the Rights of the Child. We are coming back from a pandemic, and in our second year of hybrid mode learning, we had even more presenters coming to us from different parts of the world on three or four continents, and we had a wonderful opportunity to learn together in a multidisciplinary context in the classrooms here at the law faculty on the Moncton campus of the University of Moncton. We're delighted again to have the support and the partnership of the Canadian Council of Child and Youth Advocates, the participation of so many partners in La Francophonie, members of the Francophone Association of Ombudsmen and Mediators, many of whom were with us this week virtually or physically present here with us in Moncton. Including great keynote presentations and presentations also from members and former members of the Committee on the Rights of the Child. So it was a wonderful opportunity to have a check-in with respect to how are we doing on listening intentionally to children's voices and recognizing children's agency and the benefit for human societies of child and youth participation. We had a sense that the world is changing, that this old notion that children should be seen but not heard is giving way, but there's still enormous progress that has to be achieved. Not just to ensure meaningful participation of children and young people in administrative and judicial decisions that might impact them, but also in relation to children's experience of, being heard within their families or alternative family settings or within their schools. And so we're delighted, for the opportunity of learning and exchange that's happened here this summer. We're cognizant of how much more work needs to be done to give meaningful effect to children's voices, but we're inspired by the leadership of children and young people themselves. So hopefully you'll be able to join us next year in 2024 for another edition of this wonderful Child's Rights training event.